Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how we can install GenSim on a Mac machine. So for that, first of all, you need to open this terminal. And in order to install GenSim, first we will create a virtual environment. It is a good practice to create a virtual environment for each separate project. So we will also create one virtual environment, and for that we will go to the folder where we want to create that virtual environment, and we should have Python installed in our Mac machine. So if you have not installed Python yet, then you can refer the another video which is available on this channel itself, and the link of that video you will find in the description below. So you can refer that video, and step by step you can install Python. It's very easy to install Python. So now on terminal, we will go to the folder where we want to create that virtual environment. So I want to create that virtual environment in downloads folder. So I will do cd, then downloads. Here I will create the virtual environment using this command, which is python 3 space -m venv, and the name of the virtual environment. So let's say we are keeping the name of this gensim underscore install. So this is the virtual environment name, and let me show you in the downloads folder as well. So here, as you can see, gensim underscore install, this folder is created, and inside that couple of folders and file is there. Now we will activate this particular virtual environment, and for that we will have to source one file which is present inside this bin folder. So if I show you, so this is the activate file which we need to source in our terminal. So on terminal I will say source and gensim underscore install, inside that bin is there, and we need to source this activate file. So I will hit enter now. So as you can see, gensim underscore install in the left side of this line. So it means this particular virtual environment is activated now. Now we will install gensim using pip. So I will say pip install gensim, and I will hit enter now. So the installation is started now. So finally the installation is finished now, and it took around 2 to 3 minutes for me. So now let's verify whether it is installed successfully completely or not. So I will say pip list, and here you can see gensim is present, and it has this 4.3.2 version. So it means it is installed successfully. Now let me clear the screen, and let's verify this in some other way also. So I will open up the Python shell using this command python 3. Now here I will try to import this gensim. So I will say import gensim. So if it does not give any error, so that means the gensim is installed. So the import is successful. I don't know, but it took some time for me, around 1 minute, but finally it got imported successfully. So it means the gensim is installed successfully. Let's see the version of this. So I will say gensim dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. So as you can see 4.3.2, this is the version of this. So we can say gensim is installed. Now I will move out from this Python shell. So I will say exit and these brackets, and I will deactivate this virtual environment also. So for that I will write deactivate. So I will come out from this virtual environment, and I will move to the global environment of this machine. So I have come out from this environment as well. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was useful to you, and if it was, then do hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. And as always, keep learning, keep supporting. See you in the another video.